I'm gonna help you out on how to pass the Naplex. If you don't know, the Naplex is the final exam a pharmacist has to take in order to be a registered pharmacist. It's an exam that takes several hours and it can be very intimidating. So I'm gonna give some helpful tips on what to study so that you're able to pass the exam. Number one, know the math. I'm convinced the only reason I passed was because of the math, because for me, the math was the easiest thing of the whole exam. And honestly, it felt like 50% of my exam. Next thing, which I was terrible on, is compounding. I did not realize it was gonna be such a huge portion of the exam, but that's something you need to know. For study materials, I used RX Prep. This isn't sponsored. Trust me, I wish they could sponsor me. But unless they've updated it since 2017, their compounding stuff was not helpful at all. Next thing is you have to know brand and generic names. Because if you don't know the names of the medications and they're asking you a question about it, you're gonna have no idea how to answer it. And then when it comes to treatment guidelines, you better know the first and second line therapies. Because most likely the patient is gonna be allergic to the first line therapy. Then one other thing I can't say enough is to do practice tests. So if you can, try to sign with like a retail pharmacy like CVS or Walgreens, because they'll actually give you RX Prep and like all the online stuff, I believe for like free or for a discounted price. Especially those videos on RX Prep, those were so helpful. And if there are any topics that you're struggling with for the Naplex, please feel free to comment down below. I'd love to do some videos to help you out.